How to add payment method on Google Play using a SIM. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Play Store on your device and sign into your account. Navigate to profile icon at top right corner of your screen. Now from this menu box choose payments and subscriptions option. Then you will land on this page, so tap on payment methods. In order to check your available payment option, tap on More Payment option or Settings and tap on any of the browser. Now choose Add a payment method. And here you can see that currently credit or debit card is only available, but if your SIM is eligible, you will see an option like use SIM billing or a similar term. You need to note that this feature depends on your SIM service provider and whether your plan supports courier billing. If the option isn't available, you can still add other payment method like credit or debit card, PayPal, Visa, redeem codes, PaySafe card, and many more. I hope this guide was helpful and informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.